All right, leaders, at this time, I'm going to go over reliable sources. Just as a reminder, the internet is kind of reliable. It is most up to date, but you want to make sure that the resource you're pulling from is extremely reliable. For example, if you were watching a YouTube video, you would want to go to our Weebly. You would not want to search for your favorite song, right? Like in terms of content. So also with the internet, .gov and .edu are the most reliable, and Encyclopedia is super reliable. You need to make sure though that the article is on the topic that's being in question. Textbooks are very, very reliable. Again, they need that title. The next one is a magazine or newspaper. It's sometimes reliable. It usually has a small amount of information on a very specific topic. A novel is fiction. It's not real. Like, for example, our new book, Wonder, beautifully written. You're gonna love it. Not real. Don't use it as a resource. Okay. Editorial blog. This is an opinion written by somebody. So, for example, if I wrote about how much I love my dog or how Jack Russells are the best dog ever, it could be a resource, but it's probably not as reliable as the Encyclopedia of Dogs, right? And the last one is a brochure advertisement. So steps to answering the questions. 1, you need to look for the source first. Make sure that it is reliable and trusted. 2, look at the title. 2nd, make sure that it's relevant to your project. Sometimes there's a source without a title. When this happens, you should assume the source is on topic and judge if it is actually reliable. So again, first the source, then the title. Say it with me. First the source, then the title. Louder. First the source, then the title. What is it, Evan? First the source, then the title. One more time to 1. First the source, then the title. Oh, I hear plates. That means the dinner's almost ready. We're going to keep going. All right, number 1. Which resource is most reliable for finding more information for a research paper about moving plates under California? A fictional story about the eruption of a volcano. B, a website about the history of Californians. C, an encyclopedia article about the United States Western geography. D, an article about human relationships and the environment. So 1, go ahead and circle most reliable. That is our key word. 2, slash the trash. What would you get rid of? Calvin, I agree. I would get rid of the fictional story. All right, and what other one? Because the fictional story is just not real. Yeah, you're right, Landon. I would say an article about human relationships with the environment. Too general. Okay, now I'm down to B, a website about the history of California. And C, an encyclopedia about the United States Western geography. What strategy am I going to choose? I chose B. Now, I'm going to show you my notes so that you can see exactly how your notes should look too. All right, so we just read through it. I'm going to have to watch my timing on that tomorrow. Today. So ready, set, go. I'm going to show you my notes. After you see my notes, you're going to head into partner practice. Okay?